In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. First of all, just hold your search bar and then click on Remove widget below it. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also hold your device's screen instead. Click on this little red dot at the top right corner of your search bar. Confirm your choice in the pop-up as well. And click on Done at the top right corner. If you can't do it, you can always go into Settings and scroll down to access apps. Then tap on App Manager. Type in Google in the search bar. And in order to fix this issue, click on Force Stop over here. Lastly, select Force Stop again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!